All right, what is up, you guys? Today is my birthday. So, of course, we're wearing some ears. And right now, we're headed with Coco in her beautiful dress and hubby to go meet the bestie for brunch. And then head to the Grounds of Alexandria to see the Beauty and the Beast exhibition. Yay! So, if you want to see more, keep watching.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little.
We should hit record. Where are we welcoming to? To your channel?
Welcome to Coot. Don't put that in, it'll get demonetized.
What's the name of the restaurant?
Co. Welcome to Co Bar.
All right, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is beautiful Sunday in December the 12th, which means it's almost my birthday, which means it's also my sister's birthday. So, Joanna, if you're watching, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
And so that means since I'm in Australia and my sister's in America, and we're 17 hours ahead, we celebrate our birthdays at the same time. So, very cool. Today, out with Bestie Ben. And we've got hubby and Coco all dressed up for the occasion. Yay, look at Coco. Look at her dress. Look, she's so fancy. Do you want to say hi? Say hi, everybody. It's my mom's birthday. Yay. So today, Ben is taking me to the Grounds of Alexandria to see
Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast. So appropriate ears. I was going to wear a yellow dress, but it's not the warmest here today.
And we all matched anyway.
And we all
Without
ended
even
up
knowing.
somehow wearing white tops and jeans. Didn't even plan it. Like, makes sense, right? But yeah, so today we're going to do a little brunch, a little beverage, and head over to the grounds and check out all this spectacular decor of Beauty and the Beast. So should be fun, right?
Yeah, it's fun.
I
It looks beautiful.
saw lots of treats and desserts in the carts. Alex was there yesterday. Hi, Alex. And she was posting up some beautiful treats, so we'll have to get you to try some of the
I'm
yummy.
all over them. I watched
You're-
those cakes.
You watch those cakes? Ben, we call Pooh Bear because he loves all sorts of honey and candy and treats. So I just basically buy them and photograph them, and then you eat them.
I like them.
Yeah, you taste test them, right? Yeah, so it should be heaps of fun. So we'll try treats. We'll take lots of pictures. Let Coco enjoy the exhibition. Is it called an exhibition? What is it called?
Installation.
Installation?
Maybe. Activation.
Activation? We're getting fancy now. All right, so we'll let the birthday shenanigans begin. But,
Before we do, I have a little gift.
and I told him, do not buy me anything. He never listens.
So you're getting it early because tomorrow we're at work. And I want you to enjoy it and take it in now. So
Thank you.
happy birthday.
Thank you. Hallmark, good start. Love a good card. Oh, I love it already. Stop. Put on your party heels, birthday girl. So I'm assuming you have purple hair, like the wig you wore of
Yes,
mine.
that's me.
So apparently this is us, reminiscent of the purple wig you wore of mine.
Yes.
So
There's no
cute.
evidence of that.
Put on your party heels. Thank you for being such an incredible friend. You're an inspiration in so many ways. From your drive to succeed to your quick thinking and your kind nature. The list could go on and on. Thank you for always being you. Thank you for pushing me. Most of all, Bergen, even though we need four lifetimes together, we keep getting it wrong. Don't hate me for treating you because you deserve it. Let's go fly a kite. Let's go fly a kite. What do you mean? Shut up. Benjamin Bacon. Inside voice. Mary Poppins! Oh my god, thank you.
It's not till May that.
Gives us something to look forward to. Oh my god, I seen this on Broadway and it is so amazing. And I was telling Ben he has to see this because it's incredible. She literally has her bag and she pulls everything out of it like magic, of course, because it's Disney. And she flies across the audience. Look! So exciting. Is that why you're teasing him?
I went, Michael, I'm on the wait list. Do not buy it. He's like, I've already got it. I'm like, no, you haven't.
Oh, I'm so that's an amazing gift. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm so excited for us to go. You're gonna love it. You are gonna love it.
That was me putting up with them.
Obviously, if you can tell by the accent, Ben is from the UK, and so is Mary
British.
Poppins.
Yes.
You're very British. You're from Yorkshire.
Yeah. And if you want some Yorkshire Philly slang, you need to watch our other.
Yeah, watch our video coming soon. We do all the different UK, Philly, Yorkshire slang mess. It's a good shenanigan.
Very good.
If you want a good laugh, we'll have to post that one next.
Yes.
That one's so good. Aw, yay! Time for more fun and brunch. Guys, how beautiful is this dress? I don't know if you can see it. But it's embroidered. It says, "A tale's oldest time." It's so pretty. I want it. Stay. Some photos. Yeah, that's perfect. Good girl. Good girl. Come. Good job. Sit. Good girl. Ready? All right, you guys, what was your favorite part from Beauty and the Beast?
All the colours.
Oh, the colors.
I love the title when you actually walk in. As soon as you walk in, it would look amazing.
Yeah, that was pretty. My favorite part was Coco.
Of course.
She looked adorable in her dress. She's a showstopper. Belle who? We've got Coco. Coco, what was your favorite part? The treats. Just the treats. All right, let's see what else we can get up to today. All right, so I just had a quick thought. Brought my magic wand. We're gonna do a quick outfit change. And we're gonna go see Santa and take some Christmas photos. Do you wanna go see Santa and take some Christmas photos? You down?
Yeah.
All right, let me get my magic wand and we're gonna sneak in and see Santa. See Santa? Are you on the naughty list or the nice list? Which one? Okay, let's go see Santa. Coco! Who's that? Say hi! Say hi! Coco, you wanna go see Santa? You go see Santa? You go see Santa? All right, let's go see Santa. Ready?
Santa, hold on. I'm not gonna leave you hanging.
All right, you guys. So this birthday is chalking up to be quite lovely. Everything from last week's ACMI exhibition in Melbourne to getting to work with Disney for their 50th, to going to the Beauty and the Beast installation today at the Grounds of Alexandria, getting tickets from my bestie Ben to see Mary Poppins in 2022. I can't. So that's me, and that's my sister, Elsa Anna. For sure, that's totally us. But yeah, it's been an incredible birthday so far. Just gonna put on some PJs, put on some Christmas movies, and be sure to stay tuned next week. We're gonna upload the vlog, and give us a comment, check out the videos, and stay tuned for all of our shenanigans that we're gonna be getting into, from Christmas to our travels to Hawaii, to the Lani Hotel, to Disney World, and all of our adventures. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend, and see you real soon. Sally, go.
I can't believe that you came into my life. You made